Hi, this is just a quick update about my keyboard. If you recall, I had a HyperX keyboard and it failed very early. So I needed to get a new keyboard because my Dogo Taurus mechanical keyboard was just glued. And I guess this wouldn't hold for long. So I decided to pay a little bit more. I usually don't pay that much for this kind of devices. But I decided to get a Vortex keyboard from the US. Now, this is sold on Amazon and you can order it to Portugal in my case. So it is imported in the EU and there was no problem with the import fees. That was all automatically done by Amazon. Of course, it's much more expensive then. And so if you look at these, I think I have, let me check, I have the Model M, but not the small one here. I have the Model M 10 keyless, I guess it's 80%, this one here. And you can basically choose the switches, and I chose cherry blue switches because I know them and I know they are the right switches for me. They are the one with a high click, and you can hear that in the video. And of course, other people prefer other types of switches. Blue switches are not very good. If you're in a shared office, they will drive your coworker into madness. So you should definitely get silent ones. Now, this Model M is a modern keyboard with the case of a Model M. So it's not a real Model M keyboard. That would be a buckling spring. I used to have a Unicomp Spacesaver, which are modern buckling spring Model N clones. And unfortunately gave it away. So I wanted to have some retro design. But to be fair, this seems a little bit like a dust magnet here and will probably become very dirty. So they also have normal keyboards. How much did I pay for it? I paid like 196 euros including delivery, which is a lot. In the US, you only pay like 140 to 145 bucks for that. So it's a much better deal in the US. Well, here you can see 150, right? It's a much better deal in the US, but of course, yeah, there's value-added tax in Europe, and then it's getting more expensive. And I hope this will last me a long time, otherwise it would have been a bad deal. But so far, I'm very positively impressed, and it has just a USB-A connection and USB-C on the other side of the cable and works fine. So let's see how long this keyboard will hold. That's it. See you. Bye.